Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to withdraw USDT from Telegram wallet. So first you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Telegram application and then go to these three lines at the top left corner, select wallet, and you should see your wallet pop up right here. So this is your Telegram wallet, and in order for you to proceed or in order for you to withdraw USDT from Telegram wallet, you need to scroll down here below and you have to look for USDT. So you have to tap this USDT right here and it will take you directly to this. Now, of course, we're going to send. So all you have to do is to click send. And then after that, now it will ask you, how do you want to add crypto? You can buy crypto and use card or your local payment. It depends on your location and what bank account you can add here as your payment method. P2P market, buy without intermediaries. And then lastly, we have external wallet, receive from another wallet. So we're going to tap this one. So once you tap this, then you have to choose how to send dollars. Okay, so if you want to know what are dollars, you have to click this question mark icon right here. So you can choose your Telegram contact. Okay, free transfers within Telegram. You can ask a contact for that, or external wallet sent to a crypto address. Or if you have your funds on your TON, USDT, TON, and Dotcoin, you can simply tap this your TON space. So basically, once you tap this your TON space, you can choose withdrawal network here, TON if you have available fees, TRC20 if you have available fee. For example, you have 2 USDT, you have to click this one. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you can simply copy and paste that USDT address or name right here and proceed with the following instruction. So all you have to do is enter the recipient's wallet address in order to send cryptocurrency. You can send TON, NOT, and USDT to the given address. Add remarks for exchanges if you want. So when sending to an exchange, don't forget to include any remarks or labels that will help others recognize the transfers. And then withdrawals in the form of TON, USDT, and DOT can normally be handled right away after completing transaction review. Once the transaction has been reviewed, the withdrawal process for Bitcoin takes a few minutes. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.